Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing a different kind of iftari from our house. Look at the weather in Canada. It is nice, windy, snowy as well as rainy too. It is a very different weather and different experience too. For our iftar, I will be preparing full roast chicken. For that, I have taken ginger garlic paste, store-bought chicken tandoori masala, along with that Nando's lemon and garlic sauce. It was little bit of yogurt, chili powder, little bit of food color, lemon juice, and oil. That's all. Simple ingredients only, but store-bought tandoori masala I have added in this. Nicely give it a good mix and our full chicken is ready for roasting. So nicely wash it, drain it, and I will be nicely marinating it overnight. This is previous day night itself. After Taraweeh, I just marinated this and went to bed. Your iftar table can always be special when you prepare something like this full chicken roast or full lamb roast and all, but same chicken only will be used for making simple chicken curry also, which we are not going to make into small pieces, but we are keeping it as full. That's what makes the table special. That's it. When you're buying in the shop itself, if you ask them it is going to be for grill or roast, they will cut the cuts accordingly so that the marinade will be nicely going inside the chicken. See, you can see all the cuts beautifully. It is the butcher itself has done the job for me. Always when I'm making these kind of full roast, either it is chicken or turkey or even lamb, previous day night or overnight marination will make the chicken much more softer. So keep in mind, marinate it overnight. Weather next day morning was very bad. Full feathery snow with full speed of wind and also rain together. For sweet treat, I am preparing agar-agar. This is I am preparing in the morning itself. Agar-agar is also known as China grass or even faluda. Simply we call it faluda also. I am just going by the measurement given behind the pack. However, whatever measurement was given, accordingly I soaked it for 5 to 10 minutes and started to boil. On the other side, even milk is getting boiled, and I am adding sugar when the agar-agar is completely melted. Now you can see when the sugar dissolves, both milk and this agar-agar, you should off the flames and bring it to lukewarm temperature and then mix it. Don't mix it while it is boiling itself, then you will have curdly like only you will have. When both milk and this liquid, that is agar-agar liquid, is warm, mix it together and strain it like that. You will have clear agar-agar pieces. Now flavoring, I have taken rose syrup, and that green color is nothing but ice cream flavor Pakola. All over US and Canada you will get that flavor. Very tasty. If you have not tried, it's a must try. Go and check for it. In all desi shops you will get off. Mostly Pakistani store you will definitely get it. And you can see nicely give it a good mix so that no syrup is settled in the bottom. In pink color, green will be nice. So I am just adding little bit of pista in that. And in this green color I have added almonds. See, after half an hour you can see it is nice jelly like consistency. I will keep it in fridge for cooling. Now let's prepare sharbat. For sharbat I am preparing clear sharbat only today. This is nothing but ruh afza. Ruh afza with lemon I am preparing. In the bottom I have added tukmalanga, or you called it sabza seeds. For blooming I just put it with little water. It bloomed. Then add water, little bit of rose syrup, not rose syrup, ruh afza syrup, and enough water. Lemon and sugar according to your taste. I did not add sugar. The sugar from the ruh afza syrup itself is enough for our house. Nicely give it a good mix, and while serving you can add ice cubes. And for curry I am preparing paneer butter masala. Just take oil, onions, tomatoes, nicely saute it. When the onion and tomatoes are well done, at that time I will add little bit of cashew and leave it to cool down. Now at this point of time I am starting to bake my chicken. This is nice marinated chicken, you know, right? I have taken in my casserole. This casserole you can bake it, otherwise if you have a baking tray that also will do. Cover it with aluminum foil this way and put it in the oven for approximately 2 hours to 2.5 hours in 300 Fahrenheit. At the beginning 10 minutes, keep it for 350 Fahrenheit. Now let's prepare the paneer butter masala. Simple only, with oil, whole spices, little bit of chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and the prepared tomato and onion puree. You add it and add all the masala, that is chili powder, turmeric, not turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, kasuri methi, garam masala, and little bit of chaat powder. That's all. Nicely give it a good mix and let it come to a boil. At that time I will be adding this fried paneer and capsicum, which I have already fried and kept. The chicken we have kept in the oven, which you can always prepare it on stove top kadai also, or if you have Instapot, that is well and good. Next time when I am sharing, I will add it with the Instapot recipe. Now finally I will add little bit of cream, which will enhance the flavor as well. And now our paneer butter masala is very much ready. For some little bit of fruit on the table, I am going with watermelon today. Here in Canada, for us, Iftar time is very much nearing to 8 o'clock. So it is directly dinner time. So today it is a different Iftar, not a typical one with something like ash, ganji, or with samosa, pakoda, vada, or something like that. But today directly we will have dinner. Just break your fast with some dates, sharbat, and fruits. Do your prayer and come directly to the table for dinner. That's it. That is how I have planned this recipe for our dinner or the iftar. In between, after an hour or so, you just take the chicken and splash the water which has released by itself on it, and again put it back in the oven. Sure, do it, otherwise you will have a dry chicken all through inside. Now I am going to cut these China grass pieces, that is agar agar. You can cut any shape of your choice, either squares or diamonds, like how I am going to do, and you can decorate it in any ways. This kind of menu is very helpful for us in another way also, that is, I don't have to prepare anything for suhoor, because this itself was enough and leftover. There was too much leftover for me to enjoy even the same in suhoor also. I did not have to prepare anything separately. Finally, when the chicken is well done, I am going to add little bit of butter on top for giving it on broil mode to have a nice char crust on top. Then I got reminded, for putting it on broil mode, I will not keep my casserole inside the oven. For that I will take the baking tray and I will keep it, because sometimes those broil mode will spoil the outer layer of your casserole. And these are homemade fries, which is from my pre-Ramadan preparation. That also I will prepare today. I am making it in air fryer. I am preparing a little bit of tahina sauce, nice tahina paste, salt, and white pepper. And this is heavy whipping cream. If you have mayonnaise, you can add that also. I was running out of mayonnaise, so I didn't add. Very simple white sauce it is. That is for any chicken or chicken roast or fried chicken. This sauce will be very nice. This rice recipe I have not given. This is simple ghee rice. Any rice of your choice you can make. Even simple pulao also you can make. Now this whole chicken will sit on the bed of this rice, and also I will be adding up some fries on the side. A very beautiful way of serving the food, a combination of fries, fried chicken, and also fried or baked chicken over the rice. Very filling and tasty recipe. For if people who wants to have some gravy, for them I have added paneer butter masala. That's a vegetarian touch to this full meal. Garnished with some fried cashews. You can see this is our house simple iftar, which looks special just because of the whole roasted chicken. Hope you all like this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.